It's all about delegation, because I've lived that world where I did everything myself and it got me to here. And then when I realized the delegation component and hiring the best around, it took our company from here to where we are today. For example, I recently started a new company called Knoll Cafe, Natural Organic Life Experience Organization. And I brought in a partner who is the CEO, a young and upcoming driven young lady, Mackenzie Miller. And my goal with her was to have her be able to take this business and grow it to 20 stores, multiple locations, and then franchise. And the biggest lesson that we're working with today with her is the ability to delegate, to bring on folks that can make her life easier. Week one, she tried to do everything herself. After a mentorship session, she learned how to delegate. We moved her from paper to computer, which was a great step for her. And now she's in the point where as soon as I look at her and we talk about an option, she said, let me see who I can assign this to so I can go do something else.